On the beat.
For introduction of the abandoned project, the Lot 1 mall was constructed for more than 100 million ringgit in 2000 as part of the Johor Bahru Waterfront City Floating Project. The 6 billion ringgit project, which was intended to consist of 10 parcels, was launched in 1996. The office blocks, condominiums and a hotel were planned for the 2.5-kilometer seafront, but no other development took place except for the construction of Lot 1. The state decided to abandon the floating city in the year 2003 due to the environmental concerns as well as economic downturn. There were proposals to develop the complex, but they were never been realized. Only the open car park area is used to warehouse repossessed vehicles recovered by the Johor Bahru City Council and BJB. Transbay Ventures Sendirian Berhad, a 70-30 joint venture between Pilcon Engineering Berhad and the state government, built the Lot 1 mall. On January 27, 2006, the Kuala Lumpur High Court granted an order to liquidate the company on January 27, 2006. The mall has 350 units and a net retail space of 380,000 square feet. It closed down in 2003 after operating for 3 years. Samuel Tan was influential in selling a portion of the mall to a Middle Eastern group in 2008. But the transaction was aborted due to the Lehman Brothers crisis. Reasons the project is abandoned is because of the environmental issues. The JB Waterfront City Mall is built near the sea. It does affect the marine life near the project, which may cause the project to be halted due to some environmental issues. As we all know, fishes live in water, which this project have polluted the water in the area. But nowadays, people use the abandoned project as a fishing spot. It seems that the fishes might have adapted to the condition. And next is the liquidation of company. The Kuala Lumpur High Court demanded the company to liquidate, means the Transbay Ventures Sendirian Berhad is closed down by KL High Court, which make the building have no actual owners to run the building, and with the confusion on who is running the building. The mall is abandoned due to the confusion that is been done by the KL High Court. Next is economic downturn, which is supposedly the mall is being sold to the Middle Eastern group in 2008, but it was aborted due to the Lehman Brothers crisis. Having held onto large position in subprime and other low-rate mortgage tranches when securitizing the underlying mortgages makes the Lehman Brothers collapse, and the intention of buying the property is cancelled. Lastly, there is no intention on reviving the mall. The state decides to abandon the floating city mart project, and after years of proposal to redevelop the complex, it was never been realized by the state. It is believed that the state abandoned the project due to the economic reasons. Now we will go to the countermeasures on how to bring back the building to life. So we can use or apply environmental friendly materials or application of environmental friendly engineering. As we all know, the marine life need a place to live as well. We do take a home from them. It might as well we provide them back from what we have taken from them by completing the project with environmental friendly materials that doesn't destroy the habitat of the marine life. Or we might able to apply new things such as eco-concrete. Eco-concrete is a concrete that have unique design to it that give the marine life a place to stay, which we preserve back the marine life home that we take. Next, we can find NGO or developer that is serious in redeveloping the project. The Johor Bahru City Council, MBJB, will commence the development and ask investors, including private sectors and GLC, government-linked companies, to submit a tender to develop it. Local authority will then either gazette the acquisition under Section 4 of Land Acquisition Act 1960 that land is likely to be acquired, or under Section 8 to declare that the land is to be acquired. The state is seen they want to redevelop the abandoned mall, but yet to find investors or NGO to collaborate the work, which is crucial part, because if it was fully funded by the state, it will cause problem to the state itself, because they will lose budget to retain the structure of the state itself. Next, we can countermeasure financial problem by searching buyer with less issues such as the Lehman Brothers, which makes the deal collapse and makes the abandonment of the mall longer. Not only that, we also need to find buyer that has the vision of what are they doing with the abandoned project, so that the same situation won't happen again, such as the Transbay Ventures Sendirian Berhad. They abandon the mall and makes the mall have nothing to do with the place itself. Finally, search for the potential of economic growth of the project. Dr. Jafni Muhammad Syukur recently explained to the NST that the mall location has great economic potential. It has the potential to improve the image of the Ibrahim International Business District.